I haven't done a video. My last video, I think, was a couple days ago. I haven't done too many videos since then. So I'm going to try to. I say I'm going to try to do more videos more often. But look at these cute ears. My sister's turning 16, so we're making these really cute Minnie Mouse ears. But these are just one of the plain ones. One of our extra. Let me show you the real ears. The real ears are really cute. So show you guys the real actual ears. Have you seen the ears, Daddy? These are the pretty ears. You know which one I made? I made this. I know, I'm just showing Daddy. I made that one. Because I'm Pocahontas. Mommy made that one.
You see the protests going on?
They blocked $3.95.
So, those ears were the ears that the Pocahontas ones, the one that had P, and then the arrow with the dot and the red dot, and the necklace on it was the Pocahontas ones, and I made the one with the arrow, and my mom made the one with the necklace. So, yeah, I made slime from some YouTube videos, and I put them in the freezer, and they freeze really bad because people say don't put them in the freezer. If you do, don't take them out really quickly, and I forgot that rule, and I put it in the freezer for like 15,000 minutes. So I made a lot of bags of slime. You can see. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and 1 container of slime. It was like a purplish and white slime. They all smell like shampoo and soap because it's shampoo and hand wash. So. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? What? Okay, I'm gonna go ask the questions. Someone's going to there. I'm like, oh, good. I'm going to Walmart. My family is going to Walmart, and the whole entire time they didn't tell me until now. But I'm gonna pause it to get dressed, and I'll be back as soon as I'm dressed. So guys, I'm back, and I'm wearing this cute little outfit. It's from Chose. My mum bought, and I love the end because the end is like really soft. And I'm wearing my Minnie Mouse ears and my cute little outfit. And I'm gonna spray some perfume on my Katy Perry perfume. It says Katy Perry right there. So, or actually, I'm gonna do my One Direction perfume, the One Moment. So that's like a crown. This one's really strong though. So, and I'm gonna put on a couple of my low guys. I'm gonna put on 2, my pink one and my purple one to match my outfit. And I have some jewelry to put on, but I'm not gonna put on jewelry. I'm gonna put on some ponytail holders to go with my outfit. I'm gonna put on these 2 pink ones. They're actually headbands, but this perfume's so strong. They're actually pink ponytail holders, but actually pink headbands, but I use them as ponytail holders. So yep, let me put these on my hair. So my dad actually was born in London, and he's from London. So that's why I have a little accent. I usually don't use it, but actually I'm gonna go get my hair stuff. I'll be right back. So hey guys, I'm back. I got this fruity stuff. It's like a foam thing for your hair. It's pretty thick, as you can tell. And I just use it to get my hair less frizzy than it really is. So I'm gonna be right back to go check to make sure the ponytails are even. The ponytails are perfect. So now I'm gonna take my second ponytail holder, wrap it around my... Okay, I'm not gonna wrap it, so I'm just gonna have to do a lot of ponytails. So... This takes a lot of wrapping. I should have just wrapped it around my wrist like I was gonna do. But so yeah, I have my two little ponytails, and then I have my Mickey Mouse headband, and plop, I'm a little troll. So now that part's over, let's go to Walmart. Let's go. Wait, yeah, take that off. My hands are pretty sticky, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash up with some hand soap. This is not the hand soap that I used from the slime. Sometimes I mix it up and I go psh and put it on my head because I think it's like the Fruity Cups stuff to dry not. So I just finished washing my hands and I'm going to dry it with a drying rug. I'm going to do some makeup really quickly to match my troll intervention that I'm having. I'm just going to put some lipstick because my lips get dry pretty quickly. So I'm just going to put some red lipstick on. Wait, why put red when I have pink to match my troll? I'm being Poppy the troll, and Poppy the troll so happy. So where is it? Baby lips. There. I'm Poppy the troll. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go to Walmart. Some people are like, why are you just in a Poppy the troll now? I'm doing it because it's fun. It's super fun and I love Poppy the troll. So let me turn off my room light. 3, 2, 1, darkness. So dark because I just turned off my room light. So let's go to Walmart. I love this dress so much. Yeah. So I actually have to put some tights on because this is actually pretty short. I just noticed that. So I'm gonna get some tights and slap on some tights. So I'm actually ready for Walmart. I put on some purple tights. So I'm ready. Now 3, 2, 1, lights off. No, all the lights off. It's really dark. Wait, we're getting to light. So I decorated my ears. Let me show you guys my ears. I decorated them. That's a flower. And that's a sticker. I'm going to show you guys the ones I other decorated that are just like this but way better.
Versus the T as a G. That's
So
not first.
pretty.
Leave it nothing.
Go.
Let's go.
That's your purse. You put it in your hand.
Huh? I mean my phone.
Oh, for the tea.
Y'all got me thinking crazy.
I made that one, so it's really exciting. So I'm about to go, so I'm gonna get my jacket. So just in case, I'm actually gonna switch my ears. I'm gonna wear these ears. I can't find my jacket, so I guess I'm gonna have to be cold and Walmart. So Mommy, I'm not gonna wear my new ears. I'm gonna wear these.
Look at my seat. Chair, I need to get something to clean it up.
No. I got this. I'm gonna
And I'm gonna wear one of my previous ears. I got from, like, we have so many awesome ears. My mom made that one for me because I'm Pocahontas, and I made that one myself because I'm Pocahontas.
Don't show people that.
Why? She just closed the door. I can't think. take that back! It is that car! Oh my god. Sorry, I'm going to stop it. And when we get back into Walmart, I'm going to play it again, so bye guys. I'll play again when I get back to Walmart. So, we're at Walmart.
This car is going fast, y'all.
Ooh, Fast and Furious.
I don't think you realize he in the parking lot.
Two G's at one time.
Where? I'm going to the front.
So, I'll go first. We're in Walmart. And my mom. Are they wearing Christmas hats? My mom went to the desk to get something, so we're following her. I'm with my sister. And she's over there, if you can see her. And my first time doing a video in a store. I haven't done it
In the car. You know, you need to have that on.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh no. What life have I lived? You talk about big stuff. You're green.
I am looking for, my mom wants to buy some wings for dinner. So that's why I'm here. That's some two in the back.
I don't want to get relaxed here no more. No, but you got to do something.
The Walmart, some of the Walmart people are actually wearing Christmas hats. So adorable. So yeah. It's actually really tasty. I have lipstick on, if you can see. She's super lucky. But we'll be in Disney World in a couple of months. So that's a good thing. Well, actually 1 month and a half. Hold on. I just did a turn.
Yeah. None. No.
We're going to get wings. Does Walmart even have wings? So we have to wings first. Getting some wings for dinner. So I'm gonna do a second video when I get home. So